Hello and welcome. In this tutorial I'm going to demonstrate how to use the Google Drive to store your files and basically access them from anywhere using any device as well. Well, first thing we need to do is to log in on the Google Drive, and we can do that by going to Google's main page, google.com. Here on this page, look for Google Apps on the right upper corner and there select Drive. Log in with your credentials, the email at gmail.com, next, and the password, and press sign in. And there we go. Now, this is the friendly Google Drive interface, and on the left bar here we have the My Drive folder. This is basically the main folder that is going to hold any other folder or any other file that you create inside of the Google Drive. As you can see, we already have 4 folders inside the My Drive folder, and each one of these folders have some helping material with instructions on how to perform certain tasks within the website. Let us take a look in one of these folders. To open your folder, double click on it, and to open this file, again double click on the file. And as you can see, we have tasks such as managing electronic payments, electronic calendar, how to create events, and so on. Let us proceed. All this information is here to stay and they can be referred back to at any time. Now, how may I create a folder on Google Drive? Well, there are 2 methods to create a folder on Google Drive. The first method is by going to the red New button and click on it and choose Folder. Type the name for the folder and press Create. And let us open the Documents folder that we just created with double click. As you can see, the folder is empty. Let us create 2 other folders. One, let us name Invoices, and the other one, Notes. So to do this, let us go again to the New red button. Let us ask for a new folder. Type a name for the folder and press Create. Now, to create the Notes folder, watch. I will not go to the red button. I'll just give a right click on the empty space right here and select New Folder. It works both ways. Create. And as you can see, inside the Documents folder, we have 2 folders, Notes and Invoice. I have an invoice in my computer that I would like to upload to the Invoices folder. Then let us double click to open the Invoices folder, and let us upload the invoice that I have in my computer here. Now, to upload this file, the invoice, one way is by going again to the new red button on the left side and choose File Upload, or simply drag the file and drop on the browser's page here on Google Drive. I have my invoice on the desktop. I can simply drag and drop here on the Google Drive. As you can see, the file has been uploaded. Now, how do you delete files? You can either right click the file and go all the way to the last option, which is Remove, or you can select the file and go to the Remove Trash Bin right here. It will work the same. So you can either upload through the new red button, or you can just give right click here in the blank space and choose Upload Files. And again, search for the location of the file you're trying to upload. My file is in the desktop, Invoices, and Upload, and choose. And here we have the file again. So to navigate between folders, we have this nav bar here, this navigation bar that shows you in which folder you are in right now, into which folders you can go back to. As you can see, Invoices is inside of Documents folder, which is inside of the main folder, My Drive. If you want to go back to Documents, simply click here. As you can see, inside Documents, there are 2 other folders, the Invoices and the Notes. Now, let us create some notes. Double click to open it. Now, Google has something very similar to Microsoft Office. In here, you can create documents similar to Microsoft Word, Microsoft PowerPoint, and Excel. If you come to New, This is similar to Word, similar to Excel, and this Google Slides is really similar to Microsoft PowerPoint. So here, Google Docs, let us create a new note. As you can see, it opens a file really similar to Microsoft Word. Let us give a title, say my notes. These are my testing notes, period. Now, with Google Docs, you don't really need to save. It saves automatically. You can just close and it will automatically store. Close it. And you can see that inside the Notes folder, we have now a new note that we call My Notes. If you give a right click to it, you have more options that you can do with this file. You can preview, so you can see the notes. Let us close the preview. Right click again. You can choose what to open with. Right now you can only open with Google Docs. Then you can share, and we can also rename. Let us rename it to My Testing Notes. Okay. If you'd like to delete this file again, you can come here to the remove, or you can right click on the file and remove. Now let us go back to my drive. Now I would like to show you how to access all these files on the drive from your phone or your tablet. Right now I have an iPad. Okay, once here in the iPad, we need to download the Google Drive application. And if you go to the App Store, search for Google Drive. And here we have Google Drive. It is free. Install it. And the download is complete. Let us open the app. We press sign in. And here again, sign in with your credentials. Next, the password, and press next again. Let us now back up. This option is asking you if you would like to back up your photos and videos automatically to the drive. Let us not do so. Let us say no, thanks. Okay, now we are in the iPad, and you can see that we still have the files that we created on the computer. The invoices folder and the notes folder with the notes that we created. Everything we stored on the Google Drive will be available. It is a cloud, if you may. You can access those files from anywhere with any device as long as you have an internet connection. This can be really handy, especially if you're a person that is always on the run. If you need to email something or email a document or check a document, now you can quickly pull up your phone. You can access, view, or even email any document straight from the Google Drive. This was a tutorial on how to use the Google Drive, and that's it. Thank you for watching.